Welcome back, Giant fans. We are on box number 153. In this box we have 24 belt buckles. Let's take a closer look at these belt buckles. Here's the first one. Still has the price tag on it. And it's a long belt. The Giant belts, that is number one. Here's the second one here. It's also a long belt. A little square Giants logo. And on the back, there's the back of the metal buckle. That's the second one. Okay, and we've got two of these buckles here. Let's take a closer look. This metal buckle. And on the back, lots of little interesting designs on the back. That's the back of the buckle. And the front. There's actually two of those. There's the second one there. Okay, now these two are also the same. You can see that this one here looks like some of the color has come off, and this is one with the more color still on it. But those two are the same. Take a closer look at this one with the color on it. Here's the front. There's the back. See the year, it's hard to see. There's the back of that buckle. And again, there's another one here. Same buckle, but most of the color has come off on the front. I'm trying to find out the year. Great American Products. The phone number on there. 2006 maybe? That's the second one of that buckle. And here's another matching set of buckles. One's still in the box and one's out of the box. Now this one on the back you can see, limited edition. This is number 67 out of 10,000. It's got Team NFL on it, and it says 1994 Gap. The Giants were Super Bowl champs, and it has a little story about the Giants in there. A limited edition Gap belt buckle from '94. And that's the front of it. And here's one still in the box. Okay, now these three here are older ones. New York Giants. Let's see on the back. This is 1971. So that's an old one there from 71. And here's the second one of that. Real shiny on the back of that one. And here's the third one. And it's got some chips in it. Shiny back also, 71. So with the three of them from 1971. We've got five of this buckle here. It's very heavy. It's New York Giants World Champions 1986. And let's see, you can see on this one it has 1987. And these are numbered also, limited edition. So you can see this one's number 2519 of the limited edition of 10,000. Got a little story about the Giants there. So that's that belt buckle. Again, on the bottom, that's number 2519. There's the front, and we have five of those. So let's see the numbers. This one looks like 2643. And this one looks like 2494. 22, 28, 23.89. So we got 5 of those. Let's take a look at these. World Champions, New York Giants. This is also a limited edition belt buckle. There's 652 of 10,000. Super Bowl 25. That one there. Let's take a look at this one here. It's an old one. It's got some scratch. Looks like glass or plexiglass covering that. You can see that's from the Lee and NFL. Let's see the year on that. There's another one. Again, it's like a little scratched. And this one is from let's see, 1975. This one looks similar, but it's different. This is from Lee. And here's another. This is another one from Lee, and this one is from 79. Okay. It's a nice belt buckle here. Bronze color, the helmet, the raised helmet. Looks like it's 1978. This one was really wrapped tightly in the box. We took it out for the video. Probably the first time it was touched. It's a nice buckle. No identifying marks, but it's a newer style. This one's kind of cute. You can see it's got a beer cap official tailgater open here. So you can wear it and pop a beer bottle through there and open up the top of the beer bottle. And you can see a year on there or not. 2007. Okay, so there we go. Those are the buckles. We've got the 2 on the straps there. Plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Those 5 and those 5 make 21. 22, 23, 24. We won't include the leather strap there. So 24 belt buckles. 24 belt buckles going into box 153.